Hi folks, I'm Ara. Welcome to Little Garden Foods presentation. This time we're going to have some fun with cherry tomatoes. As you can see, I've got colorful cherry tomatoes in front of me, green onions and red onions. I'm going to mix them all together, and this is we prepare a base, and then we're going to use different dressings for different applications. So we cut the cherry tomatoes first. Now, the first thing, of course, we can do is make a nice salad. So we're going to we have some endives. We just line the plate with it. Put some tomatoes in the middle. And as a dressing, I'm going to use the all-Canadian dressing that we make. This contains maple syrup, and this covers the acidity of the tomatoes. There we go. Now this time, we're going to prepare a pasta dish. It's one of the easiest things you can do. I'm going to use shell pasta because it complements the shape of the cherry tomatoes. Heat them up a little bit. Let the pasta heat up. This time I'm going to add some black olives. And if you want, you can also add capers. Some cherry tomatoes with the pasta. Some olives. I'll add some capers too. And of course, we're going to make we use some Little Garden garlic dressing to give more flavor. Now the pasta is hot. Cherry tomatoes are semi-cooked. Should be ready. And some mozzarella cheese. It's ready. Next, we're going to make a little sauce which you can use on chicken or beef on your plate. Here I have some grilled chicken, some rice, and now I'm going to make the sauce for this dish. I'm going to add some capers just to give some more flavor. And even more to flavor it, I'm going to use some fattoush dressing. Our fattoush dressing contains some sumac and oregano. So there's going to be lots of flavors in this mixture. You don't have to cook this one too much. The tomatoes will disintegrate right away. So you don't want it too mushy. Just hot enough. Okay, the sauce is ready. Now we're just going to plate it. And here's your dish. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope we were able to demonstrate one more time the potential of our dressings in cooking and in different salads. They will liven up your dishes. Please subscribe and give us your feedback.